Welcome back everyone, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm back out on the farm again, guys. I walk down one of the walkways and I see a bunch of pigeons. And then I glance over inside of one of the pens and there are plenty of targets there as well. Today should be a good day. This is the first shot of the day. I spot this guy at about 35 yards out, sitting underneath the water trough. He looks like he's a little ill or something. Doesn't look good at all. But regardless of that, I take him. Here is that shot through the scope cam. As I look around, I saw to the left there, right there, there is a dead bird. I believe that's one I shot a while ago. But here's this guy. He doesn't look good at all. He's just sitting there. Looks a little sick. But I take him. And he's done. As you can hear, there's a little bit of breeze going on today. Hopefully, it won't affect any of my shots. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. These guys were spotted at various distances. Most of them are about 45 yards out, but I take my time and I choose a target. And I take them. Solid shot. And he's done. Here is that shot through the scope cam. I wait for this guy to settle, and he takes a shot right in the left cheek, right in the wazoo. The impact almost flips him over, and he's done. I spot these guys at about 35 yards out, and again, I wait for the pause, and I nail this guy right in the crop. It's a good solid shot, and he's done. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And here is that shot through the scope cam. You can see the tracer pellet as it makes contact right at the base of the crop. And there he is. He's done. Let's take a look at that shot in slow motion. It's a really good shot, right in the crop. Done. I spot this guy at about 25 yards out. I speed up the scene here because I'm battling with the cows, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. They're all over me. I don't believe the pigeon ever saw me because the cows were blocking his view, kind of shielding my presence. But after it all clears up, I finally get a shot off, and I nail this guy with a good heart long shot. He walks off and falls over, and he's done. And here we have a curious cow coming out to inspect the scene. Here is that shot through the scope cam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Here I spotted 3 pigeons. They're at about 30 yards out. One sees me. He takes flight. He wants no part of what's about to go down. But the other 2, they remain. and their ignorance to my presence turns out to be costly. Here is that shot through the scope cam. As you can see, pigeon number 1 on the left and pigeon number 2 on the right, in the rafters. I choose pigeon number 2 to the right, and I take this guy with a good clean shot. He is done on impact. He was, as they say, stoned. And here we are, where the grain is stored. And here is that guy who was in the rafters. Done. I spot these guys at about 35 yards. The one that was flying spots me, and the other one takes off too. But however, this guy remains, trying to figure out, what are you guys running for? But his failure to take flight was costly. And here is that shot through the scope cam. He's done. And this takes us to the last shot of the day, 40 yards. I spot this guy on the way out on the rooftop, and I nail him with a good heart-lung shot, and he goes nowhere. Here's that shot through the scope cam. He is done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.